Hey guys, we are at Universal Studios and we are going on the new Minions ride. Here we are. Just walking here. Somewhere here. Sorry if you can barely hear me. I'm on a phone right now. Yeah. Well, yeah. So we're heading towards the gate. So we are going to go to the Minions ride. The new Minions thing. We are VIP. So we are going to the gate. I already see the Minions G. If you're here, G. Yeah, I gotta zoom it in. I'm sorry, I cannot zoom that in perfect because I have to keep walking so we don't be late for it. Well, we're at the gate almost. I'll unpause the video when I'm at the gate. The Universal thing. What do we do? Universal. Oh. I keep not doing it perfectly. There it is. Can't get the smoke and all the stuff. But yeah, it's not gonna really show, so okay, we're at the gate now. That music scared me. It was all quiet then. We have a long wait, so I guess I have to pause it. So when we were going to the gate, I could already see the Minions, the new Minions thing. So I'll try to go.
So we made it to the Minion, the new area.
Yeah. Here it is, like Minion Land. Dad, oh, sorry, I paused the video instead of doing that. Okay, we're walking up here. Now you can see me. So walking up here, well, there's a little bit of wet area right there. I didn't know this place would be a building. It's a building. Look at this.
Here's a special event for us. Maybe take a picture of the sign. It says special event.
Here. Here is special event. Woo! So, we're here. We made it. What are you here?
We're about to go in. Thank you.
You won't pause it. So, we are walking.
There's no one here.
At all. Yo, what is that? I mean, there's like one person behind us. I don't. Oh.
Uh-oh, look. Show them, there's still nobody.
So loud. It's so loud.
He's posing for us. That's awesome. Come this way.
Where am I?
Show them everything.
Click.
Ooh, look over here. Maybe
Look at all this.
Catchment portfolio review at 10 a.m. Ooh, look at the game. Oh, finally, there's a line. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Don't get in front of
I thought they said we could go ahead.
Gun.
Got the laser gun.
Blaster. Yeah, we're gonna take the drink and the doll from you.
Look over there. That's the area we're going to. I can't hold the phone. I mean, my dad don't hold the phone. Yes, I got a really heavy blaster.
It is a big gun.
It's green.
Now we're green.
That makes me scared. I'm scared that it's green.
Why are you scared it's green?
Because it's green.
We're blue. Doing good, kiddo. Having fun?
Hey, you stole my square. Daddy. You stole my square.
Your foot, baby?
No, you stole my square.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to stay by you. Why? They're your friends.
You can't compete with me. You are never a match for my superior intellect. I have weaponized seafood in my command. Curse you, tiny moon! It's me, Scarlet 𝐓𝐷𝐿𝐒𝐿! You know what they say? back in line and take the challenge again. That's the only way you'll have a chance of joining us.
Turn it off.
That was, well, pretty fun. Here we are, we're at the door area. Looks pretty cool. Get out of
Really
here.
fun. We're gonna do it again, okay?
My dad really wants to do it again. Oh, we're at the outside area.
This way.
Can we check out the Minion area right here? We're going to the Minion. Look, this little Minion area over here. Little area.
It's the whole thing here. It's Minion Land.
Look, Minion walking. Minion walking. Right there.
Where? Where's Minion?
Look, it says Minion walking on that sign.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't say Minion walking. Ing. Look, there's another area over here.
Where are we going? We're leaving Minion Land now.
See, look at all these houses. Look at all these Minion things, though. There's so many Minion things. Whoa. Bank of Evil. Huh. Hey. Up there. Bank of Evil.
Oh, it's a Minion Cafe. Are you hungry?
The Bank of Evil is a cafe? What? Oh, not that. This is a cafe. Can we go in here? What Minion thing? Wet paint. There's wet paint, Daddy. There's actually wet paint. Actual wet paint. See? The actual wet paint.
But it's still brand new.
Yeah.
Not open yet, baby.
Okay. The cat.
Oh, look.
Wait. Look inside. Look inside. Look. There's a Minion. Whoa. Look at all this. It's at the door. There. Oh, I can't. No. Crazy. Well, this is the Minion popcorn stand. Well, that's all for Minions. Bye, guys. Tell me if you want to come here, because it looks pretty cool. Welcome back.
It's open.
Now it is open. The restaurant, the Minions restaurant is now open. Woo! What did you just do to me? Do not do that ever again to me. Do not stare at me. Why are you staring? Why are you staring at me? Never do that ever again. Are you serious? He keeps sticking it. Stop it. Stop it. What is happening? When a line, so I have to pause it, you know. Bruh.
The Minions are singing.
We got to order. That. Banana! Banana, banana. Cupcake, banana. Banana.
No.
Banana. Banana. So many bananas. Too much bananas.
Watch out.
There's so many things. Look.
See, that's what you got here. Right here. What he's carrying out, that's what you got.
I'm about to show the food also. It looks good. No.
Tell them all about it. What did you get?
Look at this. Unicorn cupcake.
Unicorn cupcake.
We got Minion tots. They look exactly like the Minions. Lemons, I was about to say.
Show them the mini banana too.
And my mini banana. And I also got little flag. Just this.
And what is this thing? Hold it up.
Oh, look at this.
It's a PX41 drink.
I haven't tried it yet, I promise. Oh, not bad.
Wait, is it like the Grimace shake? You gonna go crazy? What does it taste like? The horn. Unicorn horns.
It tastes... Just kidding, it's chocolate.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
What do you think of their food?
Also, it has banana in it.
Chocolate and banana.
I haven't tried the macaroni yet.
You haven't?
I'm gonna try that.
Well, tell them what the Minion tots taste like. Fried bananas?
They have banana inside of them. They're fried bananas, but
So plantanos?
not gross.
Yeah.
Like plantanos. What? Where's my flag? Where's my flag?
I don't know. What does it taste like?
It's very cheesy.
Very cheesy? Like super cheesy?
Super cheesy.
Is it good?
Oh, you try.
Okay.
Yep. Wow.
It's mozzarella and white cheddar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look, the seashells. There's a seashell ones. I like the little seashell macaroni.
This is good. It's got a little cheese gun you shoot out at it. Puts cheese everywhere.
Cheese shooter! Look at that!
They get you. They get you. Pew, 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 pew.
I got a flag, 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 flag. What? Flag.
What are you eating now?
I feel kind of bad.
It looks cute, right?
I know, I feel kind of bad. So how are we trying to... How do you eat this?
However you want. There's no right or wrong way.
What do you thought? No, you're the real Batman. There's like something leaking from it.
Take a bite. Let me know. It's good? Really good or okay?
It's okay. Yes, I know I have cupcake all over my face probably.
So it was good.
It is good.
It is good? Why is that? Lots of layers?
Look at all the layers.
Oh, so it has different flavors than just the top.
I know, but it has so much layers.
Yummy.
How is
You can see the layers through the cup. Uh-oh, wipe out. Wipe out.
That food was great. Right. Well, it was good. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. But